Hi, it's Kathy from Dimensional Insight. Today, we're going to teach you about ProDiver, our powerful advanced analytics solution that allows you to explore your data from any perspective. Here to explain what ProDiver is Alyssa Mintz from our education department. Alyssa?
In this video, you'll get an overview of the ProDiver component of the Dimensional Insight Diver platform. ProDiver is a business intelligence data analysis and reporting tool. It acts as a window into the data in one or more columnar databases, called cBases, that you or your developers created with the Workbench component of Diver platform. ProDiver allows you to explore your data from any perspective by simply pointing and clicking. You can drill down from, say, information on one sales manager to information on that manager's performance in a particular year to information on the products they sold in that year. Or change your starting point and drill down from one product to the sales of that product in a particular year to all sales managers who sold that particular product that year. The process of accessing data at ever-increasing levels of detail is called diving. If you want to change a query, also called a dive, to get a different angle on your data, you can, again by simply pointing and clicking. We call these collections of data dimensions. For example, the dimension Sales Manager contains the names of the 9 sales managers in the company. We call the changing of dimensions dimension switching. ProDiver lets you set up controls that allow you to filter the data in multiple dimensions quickly and easily. These controls are called quick views. You can also sort, find, and group data to identify and isolate the information you're most interested in. ProDiver also lets you look at different views of the same data side by side. For example, if you have too many columns of data to see all at once, you can split the view of the data such that one area shows one set of columns and the other an entirely different set of columns. For more detailed breakdowns of your data, you can add additional dimensions to the basic tabular display. A multi-tab display lets you add these dimensions as new columns. A cross-tab display lets you add a dimension as a row across the top. And a multi-cross-tab display lets you break down the information in the row across the top still further. From your data, you can generate reports and graphs, which you can then share with others via email or DivePort portals. You can use the ProDiver time series and period comparison functionality to view data from different time periods side by side. For example, you can compare sales data for the current year with sales data from the previous year. ProDiver calculates the difference between the two periods both as a straight number and as a percentage. And finally, you can perform your own calculations with your data to gain further insight into it. For example, say you have columns that show the current revenue and cost figures for each of 3 sales teams. To the display, you can add a column that subtracts the cost from the revenue to show the profit for each sales team. So that's the bird's eye view of ProDiver. With ProDiver, you can dive through your data starting at any point Switch dimensions by pointing and clicking. Filter your data using quick views. Sort, find, and group data. View non-adjacent columns. Show additional detail using different tabular displays. Create reports and graphs and share them with others. Compare data from different time periods and perform calculations.
Thanks, Alyssa. Please give us a like and hit subscribe to get notified about new videos. Also, we'd love to know what you found most useful. Let us know in the comments. See you next time.